Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I hope everyone's having a really great day. So far, so good over this way. I want to show you something that I made. It's a stretch bracelet and I'm using a really beautiful fireball pearl. I'm using tubes, some spacers, and it's stretch. So, you just slip it on and off. No clasp. This is what it looks like off. It's so pretty with the tubing, and the silver is so shiny, makes it so pretty. So this is a bracelet that I want to show you how to make. So let's get started. I'm going to use a rectangular baroque pearl instead of the fireball. But if you have a fireball, then use this because it's really, really pretty. But I'm going to use this one, and it's rectangular and it's flat on one side. I also need some silver spacer beads. I'm going to use 4 of them. And I have these little barrel spacers that are kind of decorative. So I'm going to use those, and I need 5 of those. And then I also need my Stretch Magic. I'm using 0.8 millimeters of this. I'm also going to use my GS Hypo Cement. I'm cutting about 10 inches of this, but it's probably too much, but I need to make a knot, so I'm going to use this, 10 inches. Oh man, I forgot to show you the tubes. I need 4 tubes. I need 4 tubes, and these tubes are, they are 1-inch tubes, and they're curved, not straight. Okay, so first I'm going to start with a tube, put that through. That's going to come down to one end. Then I need my silver spacer bead, my barrel, and another silver spacer bead. Then I'm going to put on my pearl. Like that. So do you see what I'm doing? I'm starting here because this is where I'm going to tie the knot to hide it in a spacer. So then I'm going to go to the other side of the pearl. So I need a spacer, and then I need the barrel, and then I need my tube, barrel. Oh no, wait a second. I forgot to put my second bead on here. So I have to have it match on this side, the same as this side. Okay, then we're going to put on the tube, barrel, tube, barrel, tube, oops, and barrel. And these barrels have a fairly large hole, so I'll be able to hide my knot. Okay, now with my knot, I'm going to do a double surgeon's knot. So I'm going to put the left over the right. Let me see if you can see this better if I put something under here. No, it's better probably on the blue. Okay, so left over the right, and then we're going to come around once and twice and tie it, pull it. Then I'm going to go over the right over the left and come around 2 times. 1, 2, and then pull it. I like to stretch my cord like this because I want the knot to kind of go into itself, not stay on the surface, but tighten. So I'm going to pull this apart too to make sure that the knot's going to tighten everywhere. Okay, that's pretty good. Using my GS Hypo cement, I'm going to put a dab on the knot. And then I'm going to let that dry. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut off my excess. I think I can cut this one a little bit further down. Then I'm going to slide the knot in the barrel. There. Looks good, so I'm going to try it on. With these bracelets, you always should roll it, not pull it on, but kind of roll it on your hand. Oh, it's so pretty. I like it. Well, I'm not sure which one I like better. I like them both. Anyway, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video and you're going to give these bracelets a try. They're really pretty on, and they would really make good gifts. Pretty easy to put together too. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.